Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, create a register API. So here inside app, create a new folder that is API, and inside create another new folder that is register, and inside it create a new file root.js, 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 and here import next response next response from the next server, and import your db connect function. Import db connect from utils db connect. Then here also import your user model. Let me remove this. Here import user from utils users. Then here define your functions like export async function. Here we have async function, and the method is post. Inside it await db connect and call your functions db connect first. Then here you will get a data from the client side in the body. So you write the const body here equal await rec dot json, and here we have a request, and then here I destructures your values like name, email. We have a name, email, password, reCAPTCHA token, reCAPTCHA token from the bodies. Then here console.log. Here copy all these values inside it. First check. So first here we have a register client side, and here we have a page, and then inside your handle submit functions. Here we have handle submit functions. Here I have your body json.stringify, and inside have a value name, email, password, the captcha token. Then this value here send to the server side with the help of this API endpoint http localhost 3000 API. Here API means this API folder. Here we have API. Then here I have a registers folder, and here I have a register folder, and a method is post. So that's why here I have a method is post inside API register root, and here I have a method is post. And then next one inside a body, here how we have a body inside a body name, email, password, reCAPTCHA token. So that's why here destructure all the value from the here I have a body, and from the body destructure value name, email, password, and reCAPTCHA token. Basically this value here I have a value name, email, password, reCAPTCHA token. This value this is your client side, and then basically all this client side, and here I have a value name, email, password, reCAPTCHA token. All this send to the server side in the body. So that's why here in the body, from the body, then here console.log. And here one thing we have noticed, here remove this, and here use a backtick. Here also remove this, and here I have a backtick and remove all this. Then here write dollar symbols here inside process dot env dot API. Here we have a process dot env dot API means basically this variable. So let me check your config.js file here. We have HTTP localhost 3000 API. So basically this variable const here we have exporting it. So here then importing here and here remove this here why this values here only import config from .nest config.js and then here export it again export default nest config inside a env then you can easily access your variable here process.env.api and here we have registers so send so that here let me fill your form then you can see that your all the value here inside the terminals and here first thing if you make any changes inside your file like next config.mgs or config.js then again run your project so you run your project again now it is ready to use so you refresh it first here and then fill your form here successfully fill your form and your display now here I am not a robot and submit and then basically all this detail you will get to the server side so let me submit here and here get a error but fine Hmm. We will fix this issue and first check your terminal here import user from at the rate utils users getting I know that here is the basically path is incorrect so that's why getting a error so let me first fix this issue so go inside the root and here we have a not a utils here I have a models here inside here models have a user so that's why here write models dot users fine so again here fill the form and I am not a robot and submit here then check your server here what is the issue here again here you can see it here we have successfully get all the values from the client side to the server side here like name email password and here we have a reCAPTCHA token fine basically this value here open your form and whatever value here selected name email password and here I have your reCAPTCHA token then all this data from the page here we have a that page register page and then that all the value name email password reCAPTCHA token send to the server side in the bodies and here I have the endpoint basically at this point here at this API endpoint register endpoint here and all the data inside the body name email password reCAPTCHA token here sent to the server side so that here in this file API register root.js here we can access all these values here name email password reCAPTCHA token in the console.log so that's why all these value are printed on terminals here we have a terminals so that's why here we will get all this data fine and the next step is here we have a reCAPTCHA token so here we have a reCAPTCHA token so verify your reCAPTCHA token from the Google's. So that's why here inside your function post, here create another functions, that is verify reCAPTCHA, and then this reCAPTCHA token sent to the Google. Okay, then Google verify, then Google send you response true and false value, true or false value from the Google. On the basis of a true, we will verify, that means the your reCAPTCHA token is verify. Then save detail of the user in the database. First verify your token from the Google, then save your detail to the database. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next videos.